Fighting crime is important.
We could not have done this without the assistance of the public.
Community safety truly is a shared responsibility.
On Thursday afternoon, Crimestoppers Toronto celebrating 40 years of service to the city. This amid a backdrop of public frustration over persistent crime in the city.
If we see a certain crime trend that is occurring, we're going to work on that. If we see something where the police service needs help in generating tips, we're going to jump on that as well.
Sean Sporton is the chair of Toronto Crimestoppers. He's reminding us Crimestoppers is 100% civilian operated. Its mission to source, vet, and follow up on anonymous crime tips coming from the public. He says since its inception in 1984, the organization has received more than 190,000 tips in Toronto alone, leading to more than 40,000 charges, 11,000 arrests, and nearly $320 million worth of illegal drugs being taken off the street. Last year alone, tips coming through Crimestoppers helped solve 5 homicides. Sporton saying while the number of tips coming into Crimestoppers had been trending down over the last few years, they saw that number tick back up in 2023. Is that community awareness? Is that something you guys did? What sort of explains that?
Yeah, so in 2019 we started looking at a new way to manage our program, and that's where we removed individual reward payouts and replaced it with a reward program, a community reward program that we give back to the community, if you will. But it was also during the time of the pandemic, right? So we weren't able to do our grassroots community engagement and promoting our program. People are back out into the communities. Crime is now, happening. People are seeing it. People are now reporting it.
The role that Crimestoppers plays, especially here in Toronto, is absolutely essential. And it's essential now with the rise of hate crimes and the threats to having autos being stolen so frequently, which is completely unacceptable.
Meanwhile, Toronto's chief of police saying he is getting the message of mounting frustration from the public, saying the budget he's forwarding to City Council includes funding for more officers on the street.
So we hear the frustrations of our communities as it relates to different aspects of service delivery, safety, community safety and well-being. So absolutely we pay attention to that regularly and we're responsive to that.
Toronto Police will be recognizing the rest of January as Crimestoppers Month. At College and Bay, David Zura, City News.